What's up, everybody? It's your boy SkittleFabs. Today it is the day I am opening my Daryl Cox package. You guys can see this is for the caliber, so let's get into it. You guys, this is the caliber SRT4 gasket top end rebuild kit. So I'm taking my head off to my caliber and I'm doing new head studs from Real Tune, which are on their way also. They were shipped yesterday. I went ahead and bought those on sale for $200. This right here I bought from Daryl Cox on eBay for $235, which I'll leave everything in the description below, you guys. I'll leave links so you guys can go ahead and purchase this if you guys are interested in upgrading your gaskets. Yeah, so let's just get into it. So this is how it's packaged, you guys. You just open this. That's what it looks like open. Yeah, buddy. And this stuff. So let's start with this pamphlet, receipt. That's what it looks like. We got another sticker. Guys, I love stickers. My toolbox is sticker bombed. There's a business card. A thank you card. This is where the fun starts. These are my new gaskets. I'm not exactly sure 100% on everything, but I'm assuming this is new seals for the injectors for those. Right, for those. And then these all look like the valve cover seals for the bolts to hold the valve cover down. And then you got, I'm assuming a thermostat, but I'm not 100% sure yet until I take it apart. This goes to my thermostat manifold that I bought for the caliber. This is that seal, so there's an extra one for me. This I'm not 100% sure yet, but I will let you guys know. Here's another seal. And these are my valve stem seals. Seem pretty nice. Made out of metal. Or whatever they're made out of. Alright, well those are the seals and gaskets. And then this is for the valve cover, I guess. Yeah. Intake manifold gasket, and it has like some sort of cap. I don't know why. And then this is the caliber MLS additional layer head gasket that is upgraded from Daryl Cox, and that's the exhaust. So that is the caliber top end gasket rebuild kit that DCR sells on eBay. So like I said, I'll leave everything in the description below, links, and yeah. So if you guys like this video, smash that like button, subscribe, follow, and follow me on Snapchat and Instagram and all that. So be easy, stay tuned.